Okay, so we have rendered the drawer and we are showing empty cart, right? So before that, what I want to do is I want to show the count, right? What is the count of your cart items here, so that even before opening the drawer, the user can get an idea of how many items they have in the cart. So for that, I'll come to cart drawer again, and we have a nav button. I'll just add another class, cart button. And in the span, what I will do is I will just do cart items dot length. Let's see what we have here. We have 0. So I do not want the 0 there. I will just do class name. Okay, I do not need class. I'll just take the cart button. And now there is a trick that you might be tempted to use the card button inside your card drawer, right? But that won't work because card drawer is for your drawer, but this button is outside of the drawer. So we have to add it to our card class, inside our card class, like the parent is card. So we can add it here and we'll say position relative. And for the span inside it, we'll say position absolute. Let's see. Okay. So then we'll say top 0, right 0. Let's see how it looks. Okay, not that good. Okay, we'll just say height. Let's say 10 pixel and width is 10 pixel. Background color will be red and color will be white and border radius 50%. Let's see. Okay, I think I have to do flex too. I'll say display flex items, align items center, justify content center. Okay, and then I think I should increase the height and width a little bit. Okay, not that much. Okay, and instead of right 0, I'll do minus 10 pixel, maybe. Okay, and for top, the same thing, minus 10 pixel. Okay, that's good. Maybe not 10 pixel. Let's do 8. Okay, that's better. So initially we have 1. Let's try adding an item to our cart, right? See, it is automatically updated. That's the like advantage of using a global state management, right? Like Redux or Context API. Okay. So you can connect whatever part of your application to a global state. All right, let's add another item. Let's go back and let's do this one. It is out of stock, so we have to choose another one. What about this one? Okay, again out of stock. This one. Okay, see, it is updated. All right. So now our cart is also not empty, and let's reload if, and let's say if it persists. Okay, it is persisted. We do not have to manage the local storage or anything. Okay, that is good. You might have noticed that I'm using this product most of the time because this product has all the data, description and attributes and everything. That's why I'm using this product all of the time. Okay, and now we have to render everything in the cart, right?